Hey, before you skip this video, let me ask you something. Can you say this in English? I woke up, got up, ran out of coffee, and my car broke down. All before 9 a.m. Did you understand every single word of that? If not, don't worry, not even a little bit, because today we are going to learn 50 of the most common phrasal verbs in everyday English, the ones native speakers use every single day. And we're not going to learn them from a list. We're going to live them through one real, normal, slightly chaotic day.
Sorry I'm late. I ran into some traffic on the way here.
See? He just used one already. Let's go. Welcome back to Fluento, everyday English for real life. I'm Anna, and as always, I'm here with my co-host, David.
Hey everyone, really happy to be here today. This is one of my favorite lessons we've done together because it actually feels like a real conversation.
That's exactly the idea. Today, we're going to follow one person through their whole day, from the moment they wake up in the morning to the moment they go to bed at night.
And woven into that day, naturally, like real English, are 50 phrasal verbs.
Now, if you're at A2 or B1 level, phrasal verbs can feel a little scary. There are so many of them, and sometimes the same verb means 3 different things.
I know, it can be overwhelming.
But here's the good news. You don't need to learn them all at once. Today, you're just going to hear them. You're going to feel how they sound, and slowly they'll start to feel familiar.
That's how language actually works. You hear something many times, and then one day, it just clicks.
Exactly. So take your time. You can pause the video, rewind, watch again tomorrow. This is your learning, and you're doing great just by being here. Okay, are we ready, David?
Let's do this.
Okay, so it's 7 a.m. Our character, let's call her Mia, needs to start her day.
The alarm goes off. And what does Mia do?
She hits snooze 3 times.
I feel that deeply.
Finally, she wakes up. Number 1, wake up. To stop sleeping, to become conscious. She finally wakes up at 7:45.
But waking up and getting out of bed are 2 different things, right? So the second phrasal verb is get up, to actually leave the bed and stand up. She wakes up at 7:45 but doesn't get up until 8.
Now, Mia goes to the kitchen. She needs coffee. Badly.
She opens the cupboard and there's nothing there. She has run out of coffee. Number 3, run out of, to have no more of something. I've run out of coffee. This is a disaster.
A complete disaster.
Mia decides to get by without coffee this morning. Number 4, get by, to manage even in a difficult situation. I'll get by. I'll drink some water and just get by.
She goes to get dressed, but her favorite shirt, she can't find it anywhere.
She looks for it everywhere. Number 5, look for, to search for something. Have you seen my blue shirt? I've been looking for it all morning.
She never finds it. She ends up wearing something else. Number 6, end up. When you arrive at a situation you didn't plan. I couldn't find the shirt, so I ended up wearing a gray jumper.
Now Mia needs to figure out her schedule. Number 7, figure out, to think about something until you understand it or find a solution. Okay, let me figure out what I need to do today.
She has a meeting at 9. She needs to set off to start a journey. Number 8, if I want to be on time, I need to set off by 8:30.
Before she leaves, she turns off the lights. Number 9, turn off, to switch something off. Did you turn off the kitchen light? Yes, I turned it off.
She's about to walk out the door when, oh no!
Her phone battery is dead. She has to plug in the charger and wait 5 minutes. Number 10, plug in, to connect something to electricity. I forgot to plug in my phone last night. Now it's dead.
A lesson for all of us.
Finally, she leaves the house, but on the street, she runs into her neighbor, Mr. Santos. Number 11, run into, to meet someone by accident. I wasn't expecting to see him. I just ran into him on the way to the bus stop.
Mr. Santos talks and talks and talks.
Mia is very polite. She puts up with the conversation. Number 12, put up with, to tolerate something you don't enjoy. He talked for 10 whole minutes. She just put up with it and smiled.
She finally gets away. She needs to catch up with her bus. Number 13, catch up. To reach someone or something that is ahead of you. The bus is already at the stop. Run, we can still catch up.
She catches the bus. She sits down, and she finally has a moment to sort out her day. Number 14, sort out, to organize or arrange something. Good, now I can sort out my to-do list for the day.
On the bus, she opens her emails. There are 15 unread messages. She decides not to panic and just deal with them one by one. Number 15, deal with, to handle a situation. There's a lot here, but I'll deal with it, one email at a time.
And she comes across an email from her manager, something important. Number 16, come across, to find something by chance without looking for it. I wasn't looking for it, I just came across it while checking my inbox.
Okay, let's take a breath. We've covered 16 phrasal verbs so far, and we put them all inside Mia's morning.
Let's say them together, nice and slowly.
Wake up, get up, run out of, get by, look for, end up, figure out, set off, turn off, plug in, run into, put up with, catch up with, sort out, deal with, come across.
Beautiful. If you'd like to write them down, pause the video now. Take your time. Ready? Good. Let's get to work with Mia.
Mia arrives at the office. Her manager, James, is already in a meeting. A colleague, Sophie, is waiting at the front desk.
Sophie, good morning. James asked me to fill you in on what happened yesterday. Number 17, fill in someone, to give someone information they missed. I wasn't at the meeting, so can you fill me in?
Mia learns that a big project has been brought forward. Number 18, bring forward, to move something to an earlier time. The deadline has been brought forward to Friday, not Thursday, Friday.
That means the whole team needs to speed up. Number 19, speed up, to go faster or make something happen more quickly. We need to speed up. There isn't much time.
Mia takes on 2 new tasks. Number 20, take on, to accept new work or responsibility. I know it's a lot, but I'll take on both tasks.
She gets down to work immediately. Number 21, get down to start doing something seriously. Okay, no more chatting. Let's get to it.
An hour later, her colleague Tom drops by her desk. Number 22, drop by, to visit someone for a short, informal time. I was passing by, so I just dropped by to say hello.
Tom says the printer has broken down. Number 23, break down, to stop working, for machines, or to lose emotional control. The printer broke down again, 3rd time this week.
Mia tries to help. She looks into the problem. Number 24, look into, to investigate or examine something more carefully. Leave it with me. I'll look into it and see what's wrong.
Meanwhile, James calls a team meeting. He wants everyone to come up with new ideas. Number 25, come up with, to think of a new idea or plan. We need fresh ideas. What can you come up with by tomorrow?
Mia has an idea. She puts it forward. Number 26, put forward, to suggest or propose something in a formal or confident way. I'd like to put forward a suggestion, if that's okay.
The team likes the idea. James tells her to carry it out. Number 27, carry out, to do or complete a planned action. Great idea. Now we need to carry it out properly.
But first, they need to work out the details. Number 28, work out, to calculate, plan, or find a solution. Let's work out the timeline before we start.
At lunchtime, Mia is exhausted. She's been keeping up with a huge workload. Number 29, keep up with. To manage to stay at the same level as something. The pace is fast. It's not easy to keep up with everything.
She's worried about burning out. Number 30, burn out. To become completely exhausted from too much work or stress. I really can't burn out right now. There's too much to do.
A very important phrasal verb for modern life.
Absolutely. After lunch, Mia has a call with a client. The client wants to back out of the project. Number 31, back out. To decide not to do something you had already agreed to. I'm sorry, but we've decided to back out of the contract.
Mia stays calm. She asks the client to think it over. Number 32, think over. To consider something carefully before deciding. Please don't decide right now. Just think it over tonight and call me tomorrow.
The client agrees. Crisis, for now, avoided.
All right, 16 more phrasal verbs from the world of work. Let's go through them together. Fill in, bring forward, speed up, take on, get down to, drop by, break down, look into, come up with, put forward, carry out, work out, keep up with, burn out, back out, think over.
If any of those feel new or a little tricky, that's completely normal. Just keep listening. You'll hear them again, and slowly they'll feel like old friends. It's 6 p.m. Mia leaves the office. She's tired, but she's meeting her friend Luca for dinner.
They arranged to meet up at a restaurant near the city center. Number 33, meet up. To meet someone, usually planned and informal. Let's meet up at that Italian place around 7, okay?
But Luca sends a message. He says he might be late. Something came up at work. Number 34, come up. When something unexpected happens and needs attention. Sorry, something came up. I'll be there by 7:30.
Mia arrives early. She sits down and orders water. Number 35, sit down. To lower yourself into a sitting position. Simple, but very natural. Come in, sit down, make yourself comfortable.
She catches up on her messages while she waits. Number 36, catch up on. To do things you didn't have time to do earlier. I haven't checked my phone all day. Let me catch up on my messages.
Luca arrives. He apologizes. They order food and chat away. Number 37, chat away. To talk in a relaxed, happy way for a long time. They hadn't seen each other in weeks, so they just chatted away all evening.
Luca asks about Mia's day. She tells him everything. He's a good friend. He really listens up. Well, actually, the phrasal verb here is open up. Number 38, open up. To talk honestly about your feelings. She doesn't usually talk about work stress, but with Luca, she felt safe enough to open up.
Luca tells Mia not to bottle up her feelings. Number 39, bottle up. To keep your emotions inside and not express them. You need to stop bottling everything up. Talk to someone.
Mia admits she's been feeling worn out. She was nearly going to give up on the project this week. Number 40, give up. To stop trying. There were moments this week where I just wanted to give up, but I didn't.
Luca smiles. He says, don't give up. You always figure things out. You always pull through. Number 41, pull through. To survive or succeed despite difficulty. It was a really hard year, but she pulled through.
After dinner, they head out to take a short walk. Number 42, head out. To leave a place and go somewhere else. We've been sitting a long time. Let's head out for some fresh air.
On the walk, they bring up an old memory, a funny holiday they had years ago. Number 43, bring up. To introduce a topic into a conversation. Oh, that reminds me, can I bring something up? Do you remember that trip to Portugal?
And they end up laughing so hard they have to stop walking. We used end up earlier, but it fits so perfectly here we couldn't resist.
Luca says he has some big news. He's thinking about setting up his own business. Number 44, set up, to start or establish something new. I've been thinking for a long time. I want to set up my own little design studio.
Mia is excited for him. She tells him to go for it. Number 45, go for it. An encouraging expression meaning try it, do it, don't hesitate. You've talked about this for years. Just go for it.
He says he's been putting it off. Number 46, put off, to delay something, usually because you're nervous or busy. I've been putting it off because I'm scared, but maybe you're right.
Mia tells him to look into some free business courses online. We used that one earlier, but it fits again here. And to reach out to people who've already done it. Number 47, reach out, to contact someone, especially for help or connection. Don't be shy. Reach out to people in the industry. Most people are happy to help.
They say goodbye. Mia heads home. She's going to tidy up her apartment before bed. Number 48, tidy up, to clean and organize a space. I can't sleep in a messy room. I need to tidy up a little first.
She winds down by reading a few pages of her book. Number 49, wind down, to relax and let go of the stress of the day. I always wind down with a book or some quiet music. It helps me sleep.
And finally, she drifts off to sleep. Number 50, drift off, to slowly fall asleep, gently and naturally. Within 10 minutes of reading, she drifted off to sleep.
And that is one very full day for Mia. Before we say goodbye today, let's go through all 50 one more time. Take this slowly, repeat after us if you'd like to, pause whenever you need to.
Morning, wake up, get up, run out of, get by, look for, end up, figure out, set off, turn off, plug in, run into, put up with, catch up, sort out, deal with, come across.
Work, fill in, bring forward, speed up, take on, get down to, drop by, break down, look into, come up with, put forward, carry out, work out, keep up with, burn out, back out, think over.
Evening, meet up, come up, sit down, catch up on, chat away, open up, bottle up, give up, pull through, head out, bring up, set up, go for it, put off, reach out, tidy up, wind down, drift off.
50 phrasal verbs. One day. One real life. You made it to the end of today's lesson, and that means something. Not everyone does that. You stayed, you listened, you learned, and that is something to feel good about.
Learning English is a journey. It's not about being perfect. It's about getting a little more comfortable every single day.
If even 5 of these phrasal verbs felt familiar by the end, that's a win. If even one made you think, oh, I've heard that before, that's a win too.
So here's what I'd love for you to do right now. In the comments below, write one sentence using any phrasal verb from today's lesson, just one sentence, about your real day, your morning, your work, your evening.
We read every single comment, and when you write in English, even when it's not perfect, you are practicing, and practice is everything.
If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps other learners like you find Fluento. And if you're not subscribed yet, hit that button now so you never miss a lesson.
We upload new videos every day. Slow, real, everyday English, made specifically for you.
And hey, if you want to keep practicing right now, we have a video on phrasal verbs for travel that pairs really well with today's lesson. I'll leave the link right here.
Take care of yourselves, keep going, and remember, every word you learn is one more step forward. We'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.